Now see here, two long and parallel straight wires A and B, suppose wire A is over here and wire B is over here, carrying current of 8 ampere and 5 ampere in the same direction are separated by a distance of 4 centimeter. Estimate the force acting on 10 centimeters, so that is L is equal to 10 centimeter here. So now we have to calculate force acting on these two wires. So now see here, the current is going in the same direction, so these wires will be attracting towards each other. So formula for the force is equal to mu naught I1 I2, that is IA IB upon 2 pi d. So we can write 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7, that is the value of the mu naught. I1 we can write 8 into 5 divided by 2 into pi into, it is here 10 centimeter, 4 centimeters, so 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter into L also, that is the 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. So this and this will get cancelled, and this pi will get cancelled, this is here the 2 and this is here 2, this is here the 4. So we can write here 5 4s, that is here the 20 into 10 raised to power minus 7 and here the 10 raised to power minus 6 Newton. So we can write here 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton, and here both are is this attractive force, it means both the wires are attracting towards each other.